today's question is from definite integral. And I tell you, this is a very important type of definite integral question under modulus. Now for this sum, question is evaluate mod x cube minus x integration from minus 1 to 2 is the limit. So how do you go about? We'll take let fx is equal to x cube minus x. So from here I can take x common, so I am left out with x square minus 1. This is a square minus b square form, so this can be split into x plus 1 into x minus 1. Now if I take fx is equal to 0, so for fx is equal to 0, what we get? We can get x, will get x value of x as 0, for x plus 1 equal to 0, so we get x is equal to minus 1, and x minus 1 equal to 0, we get x is equal to 1. So these are the three values of x that we get for this particular function. Now let me tell you, whenever you get these modular sums of definite integral, first and foremost, you draw a number line. You draw a number line. And in the number line, first we mention the limit that is given. So that is minus 1 to 2. Now I have got three other values for x. 0, minus 1, 1. So minus 1 already existing. 0 and 1 I'll put in between. This is 0 and this is 1. So this sum becomes minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1, minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1, and then 1 to 2. So we can write this one as minus 1 to 0 fx dx plus 0 to 1 fx dx plus 1 to 2 fx dx. Now is which one will be the function? Now since it is a mod function, we know mod of x cube minus x. Now we know the mod gives us 2. Either it will be plus x cube minus x, or it can be minus of x cube minus x. So mod functions can be split into either positive x cube minus x or minus of x cube minus x. Now we'll check. Let's come for this. Minus 1 to 0. So in between 0 to minus 1, we'll take any value. So 0 to minus 1, I am taking a value of minus 0.5. If I take minus 0.5, substitute that value. Minus, so minus 0.5, so this is minus. Minus 0.5 plus 1, that will give me plus. So plus into minus, minus, and minus 0.5 into this will be minus. So minus into minus, so this will be positive. If you have understood how I have done it, so similarly you can keep on trying the other part of it. So this will be positive, so we can write this one as minus 1 to 0. So function will be positive, so we'll take x cube minus x dx. Next one, 0 to 1. 0 to 1, we'll choose any value. So in between 0 to 1, I am taking positive 0.5. So this is positive. 0.5 plus this, positive. So positive into positive will give me positive. 0.5 minus this. So minus into plus, that will become minus. So this will be negative. So this will be 0 to 1 will be minus of x cube minus x dx. Now 1 to 2. 1 to 2. In between this, we'll choose any value. So 1 to 2, the value is 1.5. So 1.5 positive, so this is positive. 1.5 plus 1, 2.5 positive. 1.5 minus 1 positive. So positive into positive into positive. So that will be positive. So this will be positive. So we'll take the positive function of mod. So that will be x cube minus x dx. So if we integrate, integration of x cube will be x to the power 4 by 4 minus integration of x will be x square by 2. Limit minus 1 to 0 plus for this one, this is minus is here, x4 is x to the power 4 by 4, this is x square by 2, limit 0 to 1. This one, x to the power 4 by 4, minus x square by 2 limit 1 to 2. So now we'll substitute the value. Upper limit is 0, lower limit is minus 1. So if we substitute the upper limit, so this will give me 0 by 4, that is 0, minus 0 by this is 0. So this part is 0, minus, if I substitute minus 1 to the power 4, that will give me positive. So that will be 1 by 4, minus 1 whole square is 1, so that is minus half. Plus, this plus into this minus is becoming minus outside. If I put upper limit 1 to the power 4 is 1 by 4, minus, if I put 1, so that will be half, minus, when I am putting 0, so that will be 0 minus 0. For this one, upper limit is 2, so 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4 is 16, so 16 by 4 minus 2 square, 4 by 2, 4 by 2 minus 1 to the power 4 is 1 by 4 minus half. So this is 0, 1 by 4 minus 2. 1 by 4 minus 2, this will be minus, 4 is the LCM, so we get 1 minus 2. Minus, this will be 4, 1 minus 2. This will be 4, 4, 16, this is 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, so plus 2 minus 1 by 4 minus, so that becomes 4 is the LCM, we get 1 minus 2. So this is equals to minus 1, 1 minus 2 is minus 1 into this minus is plus 1 by 4. So plus 1 by 4. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 into this minus is plus 1 by 4. Plus 1 by 4. This is I am getting minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4, this minus is plus. So 2 plus 1 by 4, 4 to 8, 9 by 4. This is 9 by 4. So this is equals to 4 is the LCM, is 11 by 4. So that's my answer. Hope you have followed the method of doing this sum. I'll give you a similar sum for you to try and practice.